How do they move? Old houses in Florida. Engineers assess the structural integrity of the house to ensure it can withstand the move. This might involve reinforcing certain parts. A route is meticulously planned, considering power lines, bridges, roads, and any other obstacles. Permits are required for this phase. All utilities like water, electricity, gas, and sewage are disconnected. A hydraulic jacking system elevates the house up to 12 feet evenly and steadily to support the building. Sliding beams are placed underneath the house to pull it onto dollies, which are then attached to the truck to transport the house to the new location. Once lifted, the house is placed on steel beams or dollies with wheels or hydraulic systems to facilitate movement. Specialized heavy-duty vehicles, often low-bed trailers or specialized moving trucks, are used. These vehicles are designed to handle the weight and size of entire structures. The move is slow, typically happening at night or in off-peak hours to avoid traffic and reduce risk. Speed is usually less than 10 miles per hour due to the size and weight. The house is carefully lowered onto a new foundation prepared at the destination. This might involve aligning with preset foundation bolts. Utilities are reconnected, and the house is inspected for any damage incurred during transit.